Hello guys and welcome back to Login Helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to fix your WhatsApp verification code not received issue. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. So you just installed WhatsApp on your mobile and you're trying to register or log into your WhatsApp account through this app, but you're not receiving your verification code on your mobile, and there's no way you can verify using email like in other applications. So what are you going to do next? For this, go back to your home screen and long press on WhatsApp. After that, tap on app info. This will redirect you to your phone settings of WhatsApp, and then you'll be able to see permissions. Under the permissions section, tap on app permissions, and on not allowed, if you see phone and SMS, that might be the reason why you're not receiving your verification code. Make sure that WhatsApp has access to either your phone or your SMS. Go ahead and tap on allow. Again, for phone, tap on allow. Now retry registering for your WhatsApp account. If you still do not receive your verification code, then you might want to contact WhatsApp support. For that, go ahead, open WhatsApp, and on this page you'll be able to see the three dotted icon that appears on the top right corner. Tap on it. Now tap on help, tap on this doesn't answer my question button that appears on the bottom of your screen. Now go ahead and describe your problem. After you've described your problem as you're not receiving your verification code, even if your number you've entered is correct, if you have screenshots, you can add that as well, and then go ahead and tap on next. Then you'll be given the option of mailing the support. So simply tap on Gmail option and you'll see this email appear, and on the to section you'll see android@support.whatsapp.com. After that, simply tap on the arrow button that appears on the top of your screen to simply send the email to WhatsApp support, and WhatsApp support will get back to you with a solution within a certain amount of time. And this should fix your WhatsApp verification code not being received. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions still, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.